Alright, so we kind of got a little video, I mean not really an instructional or anything, but just something pretty cool, or pretty fun I wanted to do. Got my old Amiga 1000 here, and I wanted to play some games on it, but don't have any sound over here, so I was digging around and I found this old surround sound system that I had stuck back somewhere, and I got 3 speakers plus the subwoofer that's built into here. So we're gonna hook this bad boy up. We're gonna play a game real quick. Okay, this should be a real simple setup. Nothing. It's just got the positive and negative wires clipping this old system here for your speakers, and then we're just going to hook up our audio cables straight to the Amiga. It's got all kind of little inputs there. We'll put it in the game port. Not that it makes a difference. And then we're gonna drop these back here amongst the other 800 cables and wires. I just thought this would be something pretty cool to share. So if you got a old surround system, you should bust it out, hook it up to your Amiga. Alright, and here. Okay, that should have that hooked up. So, get everything set back up here. Put it to the correct input. I don't have the remote for this thing. Heck knows where that is. Okay, I'm gonna grab my A1000. Okay, let's load up something. We'll get some sound now. Okay, here we go. Boot straight up. Alright, let's find us a game here. I don't know what's going to load up on this 1000. Because there's so many, all these games were on a 1200. Find an old game that'll hopefully work. There we go. Oh yeah. It's not coming out of this side. It's only coming out of one side, isn't it, Colton? Oh, I didn't mean to go there. It's got the other one. The music and stuff is coming out of the left, and the jump sound's coming out of the right. That's much better. I hate this level. Ah! Aww. Well, anyway, that's pretty cool. Sounds good, doesn't it? So there you go. Don't throw away that old surround sound system. It'll help out your Amiga.